Namaste, myself Deepika Nishad. I am from Mumbai. Today I have completed my 200 hours of yoga teacher training course in Vinyasa Yogashala school in Rishikesh. My experience has been wonderful so far. All the teachers in here are very knowledgeable and are always willing to share their wisdom with us. The staff is very caring and is always ready to help you. The stay facility, the meals, the excursion were all up to the mark. They leave no stone unturned in helping you out for whatever to make your stay as comfortable as they can. And I am fortunate to having come across this school for my training, and I wish all the best to Vinyasa Yogashala for their future endeavors.